Chris, don't panic, but on your left hand, there's a huge spider. Don't move, all right?
Huh? Come on, man. Quit playing. I'm trying to work.
Dude, I'm not messing with you. It's on your hand, all right? Just chill out, but it's there.
Mike, I'm working.
Dude, look right there.
All right, I'll look.
Now do you believe me? Look at that thing. Ugh.
Oh. Mike, what should I do with this thing? It's huge. What am I gonna do?
Some people find this mask funny, but I don't, because this movie freaked me out in high school. This person wipes their computer after each time they use it. Someone like that is a clean freak.
Finished. All right, here's to another successful project.
What's that?
It's an almond milk latte.
You can't come by without alcohol.
Why not?
You have to have at least a sip.
Of alcohol?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah, just a sip. Just one sip.
I don't drink, Mike.
Just a sip.
But I don't drink.
You have to have alcohol to come by.
Says who?
Says me.
I don't drink.
You can't come by then.
You're such a control freak.
You gotta have alcohol. Sorry.
No?
By the way, check out these two freaky movies if you're interested.